Starting off this set, serving for Market is number 10, Nasser. Down the line. And he scores. Verdes North, 1, serving Love. Now serving for Verdes North, is number 12, Ballin. Setting up with yes, back by number 7. Corneja. Attack too long. Score Market. We're tied at 1. Now serving for Market, number 1, Palin. Number 3 with the reception. Corneja dropping it. Number 14, a step too late for that drop ball. Score Verdes North. 2, serving 1. Serving now for Verdes North is number 13. Balui. Kali set up. Cruz from the right. Saved by Verdes North. Kali, number 12 from the open. Down the line is good. For Market. We're tied at 2. Now serving for Market is number 5 and number 9, Cruz. Number 3, first ball. Corneja contesting. Market saving it. From the middle into the net for number 10. For Market, 32. And they're now in the lead. Dropping in. Vigano for number 15. Score Market. 4, serving 2. Still Sterling is number 9, Cruz. Ferdinand happening. Got by number 9. Going back from the right. Cross court is wide for Tumbang. Score Verdes North. 3, serving 4. Now serving team captain number 1, Corneja. Nasser putting it out on the first ball for Market. Score 5, serving 3. Now serving number 12, Gonzalez. Services for number 12. Score Market. 6, serving 3. Still serving is Gonzalez. Another service save! Score! Market 7, serving 3. Still on the line is number 12, Gonzalez. Service is long. Score Verdes North. 4, serving 7. Now serving for Verdes North is number 8, Paul. Service next for number 8. Score Verdes North 5, serving 7. Still serving is number 8. Go back from the right into the net. For Verdes North. And they cut the lead down to 1. Still serving is number 8, off. Free ball for Vertis North. Setting up out from the middle. Long no check. Score Market 8 serving 6. Now serving team captain number 8, Gumba. Service error for number 8 for Vertis North. 7 serving 8. Now serving is number 10, Ted. Now set. Roll it in. Now set, run it in. Save by dead ball. Dead ball, dead ball. Paging the owner of car with plate number NHS 9948. Again, paging the owner of a car with plate number NHS 9948. Nasser. Score Market 9 serving 7. Now serving is number 15, Mura. Service out. Score Vertis North 8 serving 9. Serving now for Vertis North is number 3, Aspa. This is number 14 to see. Nasa from the middle block. Cordeana adjusting. Up the line, Galvin number 14. Nasa rolling it. Good tackling from Aspa. Cordeana is blocked. This time is no good for Vertis North. Score Market 10 serving 8. Serving now is number 10, Nasa. Service error. Score Vertis North 9 serving 10. Now serving number 12, Pala. Service ace for number 12. Score Vertis North. We're now tied at 10. And still serving is number 12. Combined with the receive. Joust. Score Vertis North. And they grab the lead. 11 serving 10. From the middle, and he scores. And we're tied again at 11. Now serving number 1, Khaled. Score Market. 12 serving 11. Still serving as number 1, Khaled. Number 12 receiving Cordeana, saving it. Free ball, it's out. Time out, Vertis North. Back to our second set or match between Verdes North and Market Market. Market Market with the lead, 13-11. Reminding both teams, all players must be able to play before the end of the second set. Still serving, number 1, Khaled. Corneta from the open. And it's long, no check, says the referee. Score, Market Market, 14, serving 11. Substitution for Market Market, number 11, Ariel in. Number 12, Gonzalez out. Number 9, Cruz out. Number 3, Pobre in. Serving is number 1, Khaled. Aspa with the receive. Attack from the middle, number 13. Number 11 for the open. 13, setting up for the half. Short on the attack. Score. Market, 15, serving 11. Substitution, Verdes North. Number 12, Khaled out. Number 4, De Cruz in. Still serving for Market is number 1, Khaled. Dropping in. Number 3 saving it. Number 3 from the middle. It's long. No checks, that's the referee. Score, Verdes North 12, serving 15. Now serving as number 13, Bolio. Number 3 with the receive. Number 3 attacking from the right, down the line is good. Score, Market 16, serving 12. Serving is number 3. Number 3 with the receive. Double contact violation, following is number 8. Score, Market 17, serving 12. Service out for Market. Score, Verdes North, 13, serving 17. Serving now is team captain, number 1, Corneta. Double contact, call against Khaled. Score, Verdes North, 14, serving 17. Corneta serving. Now so the receive. Number 15 attacking from the left pin. And it's long, says our line's judge. Score, Market. 18, serving 14. Now serving is number 11, Maria. Into the net for number 11. Score, Verdes North. Substitution for Verdes North. Number 1 out, number 15 in. Serving now for Verdes North, number 8 on. Number 14 with the receive, setting up Nasif from the left pin. Using the blockers. Go down for their 19-point. Substitution number 8 out, number 6 in for Market. Number 2, Elano in. Number 10, Nase out. Serving now is number 6, Peñaranda. Number 7 in the receive. Saving it. 3 goal for Market. Talim dropping it. Aspa into the net. Score, Market. 2-1, serving 15. Still serving, number 6, Peñaranda. Service error for Peñaranda for Verdes North. For Virtus North, 16, serving 20. Serving now is number 10, Ted. Number 15 receiving. Number 15 getting it back. Long for number 15. Score Virtus North, 17, serving 20. Serving still is number 10, Ted. Number 14 with the receive. From the middle again, number 15, long for number 15. Score Virtus North, 18, serving 20. Receiving, Elano dropping it, and he scores. Score now is 21, serving 18 in favor of Market. Number 15 with the serve, setting up number 13. Joust won by number 13. Number 15 setting up Elano. Doug. Crossing violation against score Market. 22 serving 18. Still serving number 15. Gura. Aspa from the right mid, rolling it, blocked by Elano. Double contact violation. Score Market, 23 serving 18. Still on the line serving is number 15, Moran. Number 7 reception. Number 13 attacking. Blocked by Elano. Elano getting it back. And he scores with a placement shot. Score Market. And they're now at match point. 24-18. Serving for the match. Number 15, Moral. Almost at 8 minutes out. Market takes the match. 25-18.